Não vou ver só te masque. You know, ndaida kuti motikari uye padhuze but parking inogona kutinetsa handiti. Ndati ndachida kuti motikari uye pano padhuze. But ndiri kuona kuti tinogona kuita challenge yeparking. All right. So, yeah. Handogona kuibvisa.
No, I hear notification.
Let me ask my drivers why vatakure bhegi. Okay guys, yes. Tiri muJohannesburg tina Sisi. That 200 ye. Tokera kumusha mfana. Saka I'm just crossing over to my vehicle. You see it now where she's going to be. Okay. I'm just moving towards my vehicle. I'm going to Inzwa kapilani. Inzwa kapilani ka. It's fine.
Yes.
Anditika. Don't vagare zvakanaka anditi.
Yes,
Anditika. No problem. Anoka. All right. It's no problem. Dokumbira kuti muye kuzotora kama bag awo. Yeah. Saka Michawana manje. I hope she'll be able to. Yes. So guys, very soon she'll be leaving to Zimbabwe. These are the guys in the driver or not. Pilan, they are on live.
Yeah, on live. And didn't watch Pilan was.
They are going to go Kumpa. This is my driver, Pilan.
Hello.
All right. Mamwe ma diaries enyu muchaona manje apa. Atakura mukwende. All right. Anditi saka makutakura zvinhu. Ndandati vakomana vatakure kabhegi. Votakura zvipapa. Huh? Imimiro rakakuremera yamusuka kuti takure. All right. Pane zvimwe here. Pane zvimwe here. Miri yakomana. Oh, vanotsoka utora. Aha. How's it?
I'm okay.
Your boat went to Nigeria? Huh?
Yeah. Another one is going tomorrow.
What's happening to Nigerians?
They are dying.
Yeah. They are the next.
Me, I'm the one. They guys dying.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Thanks, my brother. Sure. Sharp. Huh? Hey, to cross the road. Sorry, can you go? Oh. Saka iwa no vari kwanisa kufamba. So guys, you'll be able to see it very soon. Mwe Diaries when you andinayo. Come skubuda say.
No, it's the other side. You're facing.
I'm not good saka wangu.
Hey.
Tinawo ma senior enyu ma Diaries aya. All right. Okay. I think I sent you Johannesburg CBD. As I said to you guys, I was on the chair. All right. Saka tawataga paunogara ndo pari right. Andu anogara pa front up. It lasts no problem. All right. Kugara vanokubatsirana. Okay.
No.
No, Pilani, tadu kuti bag rakwanisa kugara kumashure matovhara. But it's fine, you can sort it makumberi. Chandinongoda ndechekuti motikari ikwanise kusimuka. Other things can be sorted on the way, guys. As long imimi as long motikari yakwanisa kusimuka, munogona kuzoti mapa garage, you can sort out the other things and it. Yeah. Yeah.
So man, can motor this and then he comes and parks here.
Oh, msamurunza motikari yenyu anditi. And I'm data U10. It's fine. Lolo, auntie Navan, God bless you, Lolo.
It's about so much time.
What's all right?
You know, the one who's out. Hi guys, thank you. Because I'm doing it.
All right. Guys, Sisi Lolo wanda nutora motikari yao. As you know, kuti condition yawa is gonna sit out, havasina sokona kufamba. Saka, she's coming now. Just be patient, guys. Ndokumbirao. Huh? George? Hey, phone yangu iri phone yangu yasara motikari.
Haba bileta hata lao. Go and take it, man. Come present this bill of it. I don't know. 40 range kwa tu. Bana yami ni. Ungre phone paka.
Papa. Just go open for you. Dara, aina ndibiri wandichike nini?
Maana wewe na.
Ayo, akani.
20 kundas.
Yeah?
I kula 20 rand mas tutegere.
Ufuna ngizi 20 rand. Fontoni.
Long time ago you don't know.
Guys, takangomirira kuti motikari iuye tuvatapedza live yachona. Can you just be patient? Sisi Lolo vaenda kundomutora because taona kuti munhu asiri kukwanisa anofanira kufamba ari motikari. But we've already prepared a nice place yavachange vachigara vachifamba. Saka ndingokumbira kuti muite patience. Hatisi kupedza data renyu. Will be done very, very soon, guys. Yeah. Tongwana matiro vafambe zvakanaka. Pilani, atinda kupai madetails ezvese yasara ndiyatafadzwa nditi. Handi mukadzi watafadzwa munaye. Yeah, thanks very much. Anditi. Saka matwanishuki oh, motikari iri apa anditi. So toita manje apa anditi ka.
I think we'll show you 10.
Yeah. Pachango drive kaso ichimafia apa. Unaona motikari iri apo yo. Yeah, oh, takudona. Ndio motikari yavari iri apa yakapakwa yeWhite. So, vachangokwanisa kuita U10. Then upangopinda mu this vehicle. So this is the vehicle that's Achienda now. Guys, it is running. Traca listo. Yeah. Maramba utaran mau Diaries.
My Diaries, what do you say? That's what I say. That's what I say, guys. How are you?
Yeah. Saka ndio motikari yasvikawo naSisi Lolo iyi. Handai. Ndio muna sisi vedu. Pilani. Okay, vari kurivhesa. Jennifer Sirise. All right. Ndavaisi ndavakula motikara. Mfuna kumsiza. Oh, okay. You can see her. She's struggling to walk. Just like a town za motikari padhuze. Yeah, babate nekusomwe neku left nemwe neku right. Yeah. 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 Yes. Yeah, rambe makababata. Yeah. Okay. 1 or 2 words kuma Diaries. Let me give you opportunity. Sorry.
Hello, Diaries. Really saying that when I'm back, guys. Just pray for me. See you in 1 month's time. Lozoka, I'm coming back. Nothing is gonna happen to me. Lozoka, I'm doing a material, please. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your contributions. Thank you so much.
Target indere nyanditi. Yeah. So Pilani, if all goes well, muri kutarisira kusvika nguwai ku Bed Bridge. I know I can't ask you to Zimbabwe munosvika rini. 2 a.m. Ah, all right. Bongi, and do you want to muda kuti vaende vakaitaka kurara? Oh, all right. No, you can vabatsire. Oh. Brothers and sisters, akukutendai. Yeah. Ambuya, ndimurwena kuZimbabwe. Ndimune murume akapfurwa ku Cape Town. Oh, I'm very sorry hanzvadzi. Imi muri kuenda kuHarare nditi. Okay, saka motikari dzisasiyana. Pane iri kuenda Harare, pane iri kuenda neBulawayo. Yeah. But everything is covered. Okay. Anditika. Munofamba zvakanaka. Vakomana vanokubatai zvakanaka. My sister, I'm very sorry nezvakaitika. I know it's not easy very well. Maikara muSlovo. Munondiziva? Takambonana? Oh, okay. Ndaimboita repatriation muSlovo. But munofamba zvakanaka. Any problem yamuinayo, hamusikuwirirana nemadriver. You talk to me direct. Number yangu vapei mukoma. Any challenge yamuinayo, but they are very good guys. Vanofamba nemi zvakanaka. Makabva meso Cape Town handiti. Yeah. All right. Saka vanhu vangani apa vari kuenda kuZimbabwe? Aiwa. Vano tinogadzira. We will make sure that everything is fixed so that I meet a problem. Handiti. Yeah. Okay. Mimi boti yenyu iri kuenda kuHarare handiti. But all right, motiva kundifonera because we still need to finalize one or two things. And then the other thing ndekuti munofana kuva na burial order repabhoda ndo rinosenzeswa kutenga guva kuzimbabwe. So please makrosa mufana kundifonera kana mona driver atore picture iyo handiti yeah.
You are not crying. You are not crying. Boy.
No.
When you see enough tears today, you are not crying.
I'm not sure you're not crying.
You're not crying.
You're not crying. It's when that's true. Remember, my bodies. We don't mix my bodies. We're in the motor, but let's wait. We'll fix it. And it.
I love you. I love you. Get home soon. And
Sister, one word to say before you go.
Thank you so much, guys. See you.
Kana washika border wotumira number yako yekuzimbabwe direct call with a direct line. Anything that happens ndinokuitika musikana anokubatsira ari kuwanika so that mama doesn't stress about anything. One musikana anoyazokubatsira and then that's it. Anything that you need, you call me. We discussed about this. We're not crying about anything. If you need to worry about anything, I'm the one who worries about anything. I'm the one who will worry. Allow me to worry, not you. The only thing I want you to focus on is positivity. I want you to get well soon and then you come back and then that's it.
How can I? No, it's start up total phone. All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. More blessings.
Can you just say one word? It's better live.
My diaries, thank you so much. God bless you. I see so many messages are still coming on my phone. Okay, I'm not going to my t-shirt.
Oh.
Thank you so much. I am forever grateful. Thank you so much. Even the phone calls, the prayers, I still get SMSs, inquiries. I don't know how to say thank you, but I say thank you to all of you. I love you and thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Brothers and sisters.
Brother, more blessing. Thank you also.
Thank you very much to my Diaries, Sisi Melly and your team, my Tabasa. Go Victor, what's going to be there? Waramba. Go Victor, Waramba kupinda pa. But anyway, special thanks to my Diaries. Nukubatsira kwa maita. Sisi Bongi, I would like to say, mufambe zvakanaka, Mwari akuropafadzei. My Diaries anokudai, murungo zona mega, vanhu vari kutumira ma messages and etc. People will be praying for you. And we know that very soon you'll be back. Any problem yamaita murodhi chi, vanhu vandakupai my drivers, they are trusted guys. Munogona kundibata phone number yangu. I want you to mufambe zvakanaka nditi. Thank you very much.